Hey everyone, and welcome to another Bev and Ryan travel video. Today, we're taking you on a full tour of the Hyatt Centric Waikiki Beach, a modern boutique-style hotel perfectly located in the heart of Waikiki. We'll show you everything this property has to offer, from the stylish rooms and rooftop pool deck to its amenities, and why you'll want to add it to your list for your next Hawaii getaway. We took an Uber from the airport to get here, but if you're driving, self-parking is $47 per night, while valet parking will set you back $55. When we first entered the building, we were a little confused because there's no check-in desk on the ground floor. Instead, it's located on the 8th floor, so we had to make our way up the property to reach the reception area. As soon as we stepped into the lobby, we noticed a contemporary island-inspired design, open spaces, natural wood accents, and floor-to-ceiling windows that fill the area with natural light. The atmosphere feels relaxed yet upscale, blending modern style with Hawaiian flair. The lobby also features plenty of seating areas, including this Instagram-worthy hanging daybed, perfect for relaxing or snapping a quick photo. You'll also find a small retail section where you can grab snacks, drinks, and beach essentials before heading out to explore Waikiki. There's also a computer station available if you need to print documents or hop online to check emails or travel plans. Now let's head to our room on the 18th floor. We're staying at room 1808. This is a deluxe king room, so let's check it out. All right, so as soon as you walk in, there's this beautiful desk that has stunning views of the mountains here in Waikiki. So while you're working, this can be your view right here. So I really like that. And over here, let's check out the closets. So on this side, they have an extra blanket and pillow up there, a Keurig coffee machine with some coffee and tea. The ice bucket is back here. And they provided us with a couple of water bottles, which I really like that when the hotels give you those things. Let's check out the small fridge. So there's 2 water bottles in there. There's a safe in there and 2 storage shelves. And on this side, a very small closet that has an iron and ironing board. There's a flashlight over there and a luggage rack right here. And in this window, you can see the bathroom right there, but you can pull down these blinds for privacy. So just roll them down. And there you go. You can't see the bathroom anymore. Now let's check out the bedroom. So we have a very comfy king-size bed. This is very soft, so I like that. And check out this view again of the buildings here in Waikiki. And you can actually see the ocean back there. So it's a little bit of an ocean view. But let me see if there's any plugs here by this lamp. And the phone is right here, but the plugs are over there. But I don't see any open plugs, so let's check out the other side of the bed. Maybe the plugs are over here. There's a USB-A, USB-C on this clock, and 1 open outlet over there. So there's a small lounge chair here, and a small TV. And then these shelves, I don't think there's anything in here. So it's just for storage. And there's a large full body mirror right by the bathroom. And this door slides close or opens up for privacy. Now let's check out the bathroom. Let's turn on the lights. Oh, actually the lights were already on. It's just really dark in here. So here's the toilet. Actually turn the light on in here. There we go. The toilet here has a bidet because there's a lot of Japanese tourists that go to Hawaii, so most of the hotels have bidets in their bathroom. Here's a single sink vanity with this lighted circular mirror. And they provide lotion, some Q-tips and makeup remover here, facial soap, and the all-important hair dryer for the ladies. So this one is a dry bar, so that's a good quality hair dryer. So they have a couple plugs here to charge your devices or for that thing, since there's not that many outlets out there in the room. Now let's check out the shower. So there's the shower right here. Some Hyatt Centric branded shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And this very compact bathtub. I think this is the smallest bathtub I've ever seen, but at least there's a bathtub in here. And how does this fill up? Let's see. If I turn this on. Comes from up there. Very, very strange way of filling up this bathtub. It comes from up there. It's still a nice bathroom. So what do you guys think of this room? Please leave your comments in the comment section of this video, but I really like this room. The pool deck is open from 6 to 10 p.m. and they do provide sun gel and sunscreen and some towels down there below also. So we're on level 8 right now, just outside the lobby, and this is where they have the pool area. So they have some tables here with some shade, and let's check out this pool deck. So they have this very tiny pool here. It's only 14 inches deep, so I don't know if it really call that a pool. And there's this part right here with some lounge chairs inside the pool already, but this is very shallow. Look, it's only a couple inches of water. And the deepest it goes is 9 inches right there. And here's the jacuzzi tub, which is 3 feet deep. So what do you guys think about this pool? I mean, it's not much of a pool area, but it does have nice views from up here. They also have some lounge chairs here, and I see 3 cabanas, or actually there's 4 cabanas. And here's the big cabana down here. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this rooftop pool here at the Hyatt Centric. Let's check out the small fitness center here, which is open 24 hours. Very tiny, but it does have nice views. So we have some medicine balls over here. There's an exercise bike, a couple of treadmills. Oh, there's 2 Peloton bikes here. I like using those. A couple of ellipticals and some free weights. And there's also a bench right here. And that's pretty much it. So there's a water dispenser here. And a TV. Well, let's take a look at the view from up here. It has decent views of the streets here at Waikiki. So what do you guys think about this gym? Very small, but at least they have a gym here.
As far as event spaces, there's only one available located by the lobby. This spacious room used to be a restaurant, but now it's an open area which can be reserved to host your special events. Besides the spacious modern rooms, the best thing about this hotel is its location. It sits right on Kuhio Avenue, just a short walk from Waikiki Beach, the International Marketplace, and tons of restaurants, cafes, and shopping. Beach chairs and umbrellas are provided in the valet area, so we definitely took advantage of that so we could spend a couple hours enjoying the scenery at Waikiki Beach. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay here at Hyatt Centric Waikiki Beach. We loved our modern spacious room, the hotel's convenient location, and the friendly welcoming staff who made us feel right at home. We definitely recommend this hotel for families and couples who want to be right in the center of everything Waikiki has to offer. Let us know in the comments section what you think of this hotel and if you'd consider staying here on your next visit to Waikiki. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future travel videos.